It's a mess in here, but gotta put all this stuff back. I think we only shot not two. We got one death shell left. So we had 13 in that box. And some Excaliburs. I tried to shoot just a little bit of each. We didn't even get to half of this stuff. But getting ready to put it all away because it's sitting all over. And I forgot to do the Zeus shells. I wanted to do those, but I forgot all about them. Do a couple of those. But yeah, I really couldn't go too crazy because we were doing them out here. Over by that little manhole cover right there. And my neighbors over here, they were sitting in the road, so and they had their little kids out. So I had a black widow or a neon widow shell. Only go up a few feet and then break. And I was worried that was going to happen when they were out here. So I didn't get to go too crazy. And then we kept watering down those trees and weeds and the grass because that brown house in the background there is my daughter's friend's house. Well, her mom had some friends over, and that house next to it there, that one's for sale. Well, they had a Roman candle war, and one of the guys started the whole front yard on fire there. And yeah, so they were freaking out about that, and then that's what I was trying not to do. Ended up being out here till 3 o'clock in the morning, sweeping the cul-de-sac up, and all kinds of fun stuff like that, but I was getting ready to put all this back away. Catch you next time.